Happy New Year! Welcome to Coastal Update, presented by RE/MAX of Gulf Shores. I'm Kevin Corcoran, and today we're going to bring you the 2012 market report for single-family homes along the Alabama Gulf Coast, the area we like to call Pleasure Island, which consists of Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Fort Morgan, and Perdido Key, Florida. This data has been harvested from the Baldwin County MLS database. Today we're going to review the entire year of 2012 and take a historical look that will let us see how 2012 compares over the last 5 years. Let's get started. Here's the inventory of single-family homes for sale in our market over the last 2 years. You can see a gradual decline over the last 6 months of 2012. That's not unusual as we approach the holidays and year-end. We expect inventory to increase in the first quarter of 2013. Let's take a look at single-family residence sales over the last 2 years. Single-family sales have been cyclical over that period, with 37 homes selling in the month of December, and fourth quarter sales of 2012 were about 9% ahead of the fourth quarter of 2011. Let's take a look at a 12-month comparison of 2012 versus 2011. There were 410 homes to sell in 2012. That's 53 less than the 463 to sell in 2011. And the average sales price of approximately $290,000 compares to just over $298,000 in 2011. That's a 2.5% decrease. But the median price was $217,500. Remember, median means that half of the sales were above that number and half the sales occurred below that number. That's a 9% increase over 2011. The average dollars per square foot, which works as a barometer that we like to use to make comparisons across all price ranges, it was almost identical. But here's a key factor in analyzing this comparison: distressed sales, foreclosures and short sales. They accounted for 27% of the sales in 2012, 112 of the 410. In 2011, they represented 44% of the market, 4 out of 9. That helps explain the phenomenon why the median price of $217,500, while the average price was down 2.5%. During this recession, distressed properties have played a significant role in the market. Real estate professionals have spent a great deal of their time assisting families that fall into the category of distressed property sales. We'll explain this more in just a moment. At year-end, there were 41 homes marked as under contract or pending, and that's a great demand indicator. Whereas in 2011 at year-end, there were 31. That's a 32% increase. Here's the distressed inventory as it played out over the year 2012. At the beginning of the year, 1 in 11 homes on the market was a distressed property. And at the end of the year, January 1 of 2013, it was only 4%, or only 1 in 25 homes listed for sale was a distressed sale. That's significant for a recovering market. Well, that's a recap of the 2012 single-family market along the Alabama Gulf Coast. Now let's take a look at how 2012 stacks up over a 5-year market trend. Here's the volume of single-family home sales over the last 5 years. As we stated, 2012 experienced 53 less sales than 2011, but let's consider the distressed influence. In 2011, 203 sales were distressed, while in 2012, only 112 of the 410 were distressed. So there were actually more arm's-length sales in 2012. This chart represents the average sales price over the last 5 years. Back in 2008, it was over $372,000. And in the recession, it dipped to $266,000 in 2010. Then we saw a gradual recovery and then a slight dip in 2012. When you remove the distressed properties in 2012, the average sales price for arm's-length transactions was actually $321,644. Here's the single-family home median sales price over the last 5 years. From a high of $230,000 in 2008, it dipped to $200,000 and then remained there for 3 consecutive years, and then jumped nearly 9% to $217,500 in 2012. This chart shows the single-family home sales on a dollar per square foot basis, which you can see remain nearly identical from 2011 to 2012. We know this is a lot of information to digest, but we also think it's important that you, our client, remains the most informed consumer anywhere in the marketplace. That's why the brokers and agents at RE/MAX of Gulf Shores work diligently every day to stay on top of market conditions, to help you make the most informed decision regarding buying or selling a home anywhere along the Alabama Gulf Coast. So in summary, we expect inventory to rise in the first quarter of 2013. We feel that arm's length sales are improving across the marketplace, and the influence of the distressed market is continually decreasing, which will help us return to a stable market even faster. If you're considering listing your home for sale or buying a home along the Alabama Gulf Coast, please contact the market leaders, RE/MAX of Gulf Shores, and contact the professional that provided you with this video so that we can help you make the best decision for you. We hope you found this video informative. Have a great 2013, and thanks for watching.